Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. It's any Charles here. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can start making real amount of money for yourself on Google Maps. So you're going to be learning an exact method that so many people are using to make money for themselves. So you can see here on my screen basically how much money has been earned, and also you can see that I have active orders. So basically what we are doing is that we are going to be using Google Maps, okay, to generate data for companies, and we are going to be selling it to them. So we are going to be selling it to them on places like Fiverr and places like Upwork. So any freelancing site that you know of, with the same method I'm about to share with you, you can learn how to generate data from Google Maps and you can sell it here on those platforms. So this is the exact method that I am doing and so many other persons are doing, and they are making a whole lot of money for themselves. So if you want to learn, please, I urge you to watch this video to the very end so that you don't miss a step, because if you do miss a step, you might not be able to learn how to start making money for yourself online. So now guys, what we are going to be doing right now is we are going to be making use of a software known as Lead Sniper to extract data from Google Maps. Okay, so if you check up here on Fiverr, you can see that most of the gigs that people are offering here is that they are doing web scraping, data scraping, lead scraping, and all of that, and they are making a whole lot of money for themselves. So this exact gig can really make you a whole lot of money. So you can see somebody here is basically displaying what he or she is offering, and this is the same skills that I'm sharing with you. You too can learn this thing and you can venture into it and you can be making real money for yourself. So Lead Sniper is the tool that we are going to be making use of to extract the data that we need from Google Maps. So you don't have to worry about doing it manually, because doing it manually can be frustrating and also time consuming. So if you want to generate thousands of data that you can get from Google Maps and you can sell, then Lead Sniper is just the best tool for you to use. So in my previous video guys, I covered how to install the Lead Sniper into your browser, so you can basically check that up if you want to learn how to install Lead Sniper into your computer. So for those of you who would need to start making use of Lead Sniper, I'll be leaving the link down in the video description box, so please check out the video description box to get access to the Lead Sniper tool. So that all said guys, now let's jump into it. So for it also to be able to start generating leads from Google Maps, all we have to do right now is we want to click on the on the icon of Lead Sniper. So Lead Sniper here is already activated on my own browser, so please make sure you watch the previous video where I talk about how to install Lead Sniper. And for you to be able to get Lead Sniper, I'll be leaving the link down in the video description. So guys, I already have a list, okay, of the data that I want to extract from Google Maps. So I'm just going to copy this. So for you too, you should already have something that you want to extract from Google Maps. So I'm just going to click on here and paste that in here. And guys, you can see the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on start. So once I click on start, automatically Lead Sniper is going to start helping me to generate and extract data from Google Maps. So accumulation of all this data is what I can gather and I can sell on Fiverr or maybe Upwork or any freelancing site. And I tell you, this is something I do every single day. I generate data for clients and I sell it to them. So the exact method that I use is the exact method that I am sharing with you. So Lead Sniper is just the perfect tool for you to use when it comes to extracting data, because you are going to be extracting thousands of data here from Google Maps guys. So I'm just going to open up the file, okay, of the extension to show you the result that I have been able to generate. So Lead Sniper is just going to keep on doing all the work for me while I relax or maybe do something else, right? Because this tool is just the best tool when it comes to data extraction on Google Maps. So let's wait for it to pop up and let's see the result that we've been able to generate. All right guys, so you can see here on the screen 60 leads has been generated, okay, autopilot. So I did not do this manually. All I had to do was to install the software and also use the software, give the software the list of what I want to generate, and it helps me do all the work. So you can see 60 leads has been generated guys, and you can see 80 has also been gotten. So guys, if you keep on leaving the Lead Sniper to run, it's going to keep on extracting data for you. And guys, the more data you have, the more money you can make for yourself online. So please make sure you use Lead Sniper and also give it time to load up as many data as you which it could, right, so that you can have a huge list that you can sell to client and you can make a whole lot of money for yourself. So this is the same thing that many guys are doing, and they are making money for themselves. Most of all these guys here on Fiverr are basically doing the same thing that I am sharing with you right now. So if you don't want to sleep on this, and if you really want to make money for yourself, so implement this method right now and get yourself money from Fiverr. Okay, so you can see somebody is doing the same thing, and so many other persons like that are doing the same thing. So I'm just going to go back, all right, and show you how far the lead sniper tool has been able to get me my leads. So let me just open it again. All right guys, so you can see 94 leads has been generated so far. And you know, something else I would like to share with you concerning lead sniper is that, guys, lead sniper can be used on different browsers. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to be opening up lead sniper on 2 different browsers so that I can generate leads simultaneously. So I don't have to waste my time on one. I can basically start generating leads on different browsers. So you can see here I've gotten 114. So I'm just going to open up another browser and show you guys how to do it, right? So here is another browser. I'm just going to open up the lead sniper tool here on this browser, and you can see on my screen that multiple browsers are basically running, and lead sniper is basically extracting data on the 2 different browsers simultaneously. So this is how beautiful lead sniper works. So regardless, you can make use of it on 2 different browsers and so many on like that. So if you want to get access to lead sniper, okay, I'll be leaving the link in the video description like I said earlier, right? So you can see on my screen basically, guys, is the lead sniper page. Once you click on the link, it's going to bring you over to this page where you can basically purchase the lead sniper software, and you can see that they have a whole different plans for you to purchase. We have different purchase plan. Okay, so you're just going to pick the one that basically suits you and basically suits your business, all right, and you can purchase that one for yourself. But if you're really sure you want to enjoy most of the things I enjoy using lead sniper, I told you that you need to get yourself a paid plan. Yeah, get yourself a paid plan, and you would be able to extract unlimited data. Unlimited data, and not just unlimited data, guys, you'll be able to use this on multiple browsers so as to make your work much more faster and much more efficient. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pause this video and let lead sniper help me generate as many leads as it can. So alright guys, you can see here on my screen that I have 552 leads generated and also 649. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how to export this data directly into your computer. So all you have to do is to click on export. So once you click on export, you can see on the first browser you can download as a CSV, and on the second browser you can still download as a CSV. So download anyone as a CSV format so that you can easily access it via Google Sheets. So I'm just going to download. You can see it is downloaded. So all I have to do right now is wait for it to get downloaded, and next thing I'm going to do right now, guys, is I'm going to open up the file, but click on the file manager icon there so as to open the file looks like. So you can see, guys, you can see this is actually what the file looks like here on my laptop screen. So guys, you can see with lead sniper you will be able to generate thousands of leads, and you know the super thing about this is that you get to see all your data well arranged using lead sniper. You can see here is the phone contact, their website, their Facebook URL, LinkedIn profile, and so many other details that I might need concerning the company. So this is actually how you go about extracting data from Google Maps, guys. So if you really enjoyed this video and you want to see more like this, please make sure you subscribe, give this video a watching a like, and please don't forget to check out lead sniper using the link in the video description. So in my next video, guys, I'm going to see you. So take care of yourself and bye.